I hope that you have gone through the recent RBI Grade B 2024 notification update. The RBI's website now has a tender in the overall notices. In this tender, you can go and read out this tender specifically. It is about publishing the release of advertisement about the notification release in the newspaper ads. So here RBI is saying that now on 18th of July, the release of advertisement will be there in newspaper related to RBI Grade B official notification for 2024. So we can expect in newspaper a short notice that RBI Grade B overall notification and applications will be invited for the year of 2024. We'll get this in the newspaper Thursday, 18th of July. Okay. Now, after 10 days or maybe 1 week, you can get a detailed notification in which overall information will be there for your upcoming RBI Grade B 2024 exam. Once you understand this, let us today discuss also by getting this reference date of newspaper ads, and if we compare these newspaper ads with our overall phase 1 and phase 2 exam dates for the previous year, that is 2023, 2022, let us try to find out the tentative dates for RBI Grade B 2024 for phase 1 and phase 2. So in this particular video, we will directly jump to the tentative dates and we will try to understand why we are doing this. It is simple. All of the aspirants of regulatory bodies who are preparing for phase 1, phase 2, आपका अगर आप एक serious aspirant हो तो आपका प्रिपरेशन इंटीग्रेटेड ही चल रहा है for phase 1 also and phase 2 also. So considering that, let us see how much time we are having in our hand for the preparation. So here look at the calendar. As I told you, according to the notice, what has happened? Simple. 18th of July is the date when the short notice in the newspaper ad will come out. So this is our reference date, 18th of July. Now, once this notice comes, we have to understand that when did last time newspaper ad and short notice came? Then after this newspaper ad, when did detailed notification came? When was phase 1 exam and when was phase 2 exam? So for that, we have to go in this table. So look at here, previous year 2021, 2022, 2023 and our recent year 2024. Look at it, we will just try to look at the latest year, that is 2023. 26 अप्रैल 2023 को आपकी न्यूज़पेपर ऐड आई थी. नोटिफिकेशन आया था 9 मई को, मतलब 26 के बाद 9 मई, मतलब ऑलमोस्ट 10 दिन के बाद आप लगा सकते हो हिसाब, 10 या 15 दिन के बाद यहां पर नोटिफिकेशन. सो न्यूज़पेपर ऐड केम इन ऑन 26 अप्रैल. देन आफ्टर 10-15 days, that is 2 weeks, notification came, detailed notification to fill the application, that is registration time. You almost got 30 days. So 30 days तो minimum basis पे मिलता ही है for all regulatory exams. It may be SEBI, it may be RBI. Then after this 30 days, as you have filled the application form, again you get 30 days for your phase 1 exam. तो 9th May के बाद आपको मिला 1 महीना to fill the application, and one more after May, June month you got for the preparation, and then 9th July on Sunday your phase 1 exam date was there, and August your phase 2 exam was there. This happened in the year of 2023. Now let us also look at what was the latest notification which came in the year of 2024. Elections were there, that's why exam got postponed. But at the same time you have to understand what were the minor changes in the exam notifications and exam dates which came in the year of 2024 because of elections. SEBI का notification आया, right? SEBI Grade A 2024. If you see, after the notification to fill the forms, you have not got 30 days but only 20 days. So referring to that, it means that now to complete the cycle of the exams, maybe you will not get 30 to 40 days for registration and 30 to 40 days after notification for phase 1 exam. In total, whatever 60 to 80 days you were getting, you will not get those. Maybe you will get 10 days or 20 days less. So considering that, if on 18th of July, your newspaper ad related to the press release of the notification comes for RBI Grade B 2024, after 10 to 15 days, maybe 10 days most probably, you will see the real detailed notification for RBI Grade B 2024 exam. And if the detailed notification comes between 25 to 30th of July, then definitely after July, August, you will be getting as a month to fill the form, okay? But in that filling the form, I think you won't get 30 to 40 days as a registration time. You will get 20 to 30 days only, like similar to SEBI in this year, because they also want to complete their examination cycle. Considering that, definitely as 20 to 30 days you will get. You, after filling the form, you will again get 20 to 30 days, and in this way you can expect your exam after 7th or 8th of September. If you look at the calendar year, see here, so here you can expect your 18th short notice in newspaper. After 10 days in the from 25 to 30, you can get in this bracket overall the detailed notification. And after getting this detailed notification, 20 to 30 days for your application filling, and more 20 to 30 days, that is your exam will go in the September. That's why I'm saying that your exam will go in September. As we know that RBI Grade B exams most probably occur on Saturday or Sunday. So if you consider Saturday and Sunday, then you will see that either the exam will happen on 7th of September or 8th of September, 7th of September or 8th of September, or maybe if it is pushed, but if RBI gives you more days, unlike SEBI, then it will go to 16th of September or 17th of September. Okay, so these are your probable dates. Again, Saturday, Sundays only, because previously RBI exams happen on Saturdays and Sundays only. So you can keep a 2 weeks time frame with you, that is first week of September and second week of September. This is the overall exam date for RBI Grade B exam. Now, many students will say that, no sir, it will come in the last week of September or last third week of September. Why I don't think this will happen is, RBI will not be wanting to increase the overall exam cycle or duration. They also want to quickly finish the phase 1 exam, quickly finish phase 2 exam, get the interviews and finish this year's 2024 RBI Grade B cycle. And that is why I don't think you will be getting huge span of time which you got in earlier years. So now if you look at the first or second week of September, now already you can see July month is with you, then June, July, August and September. So you are having overall 90 days for preparation. Also consider that don't have Saturday and Sundays in this 90 days, because Saturday and Sundays we can keep it for revision or maybe for relaxation. Okay, so these 90 days mota moti aapko 90 din to milenge hi. Now what to do here? Simple. For these 90 days you can concentrate for finance and management for 2 hours, then ESI 2 hours, plus 1 hour is nothing but for practice, plus 1 hour is for practice, and then current affairs on day-to-day basis 1 hour of last 6 months maximum you can definitely do. So this is something which you have to follow through daily. Now once you do this, which are core subjects from phase 2 point of view, for phase 1 you can also start daily practicing. QRE you can do 1 chapter per day, 1 hour or half hour based on your comfortability you can give for practice, and you can also assist your overall QRE practice and phase 2 subjects practice along with the mocks. So now from where to prepare for the mocks? It's very simple. RBI Grade B mock test if you want to take, then Oliveboard's weekly free test is there for Saturday and Sunday for RBI Grade B exam 2024. You can just register, okay, and just give the test free. On the website you can go, you can register every Saturday 12 p.m. Every Saturday, okay, and Sunday, both of the days. That means you are having how much hours? 48 hours with you to give the test. Friday 12 p.m. the test starts, and Sunday 7 p.m. it ends. So make sure that you should be giving this particular test. Do not miss it. Okay. Now let us talk about, if you are having 90 days with you, if this is the plan related to the core subjects, QRE, that is in total integrated preparation. Your quant, reasoning, English, current affairs is also covered, as well as finance management, ESI is also covered. So now what are the pains and gains a full-time RBI Grade B student is facing, as well as an professional is facing, that is a person who is doing job also and preparing for RBI Grade B. First, working aspirant, it is a do or die situation, because 90 days are there. They would be under the threat of time, that is how to manage overall time. Self-doubt would be there. Should I give this exam within 90 days? Am I prepared or not? Or should I go for 2025? Phase 1 and phase 2 strategy everybody would be digging for, so don't worry. 90-day study plan will definitely come soon. If you want it, in the comment section please write down we need 90 days plan. Gains, when we are talking about, opportunity is there because of the exam date. I showed you it is after 7th and 8th of September only, RBI Grade B exam. It won't be before that. So 7th or 8th of September or 16th or 17th September. That's what your dates should be. Then more duration for preparation. 3 months are more than enough. Whatever you are having, just buckle it up, collate whatever content you are having. If you're earlier preparing, then just revise. And if you're not prepared, you still have time. Why? I'll show you. If you are unprepared, then golden opportunity is there for completion as well as revision. If you are that student who is thinking that can this exam be cleared in 90 days and I need guidance, then these all are our courses which are tailor-made for all the RBI Grade B aspirants. If you see personalized mentorship program, this is 75 days personalized mentorship program. You get 2 one-on-one sessions with All India Rank 1. Every 30 days you get 1 doubt session with your doubt mentors who are mentors who have gone to the interview level of RBI Grade B exam. Then you get 1 faculty doubt session every 15 days. Everything this along with the course lectures, comprehensive lectures for finance management, ESI, QRE, everything live, this you get in personalized mentorship program. Then comes RBI Grade B crash course. In 90 days we finish all of the syllabus for phase 1 and phase 2. You get polished notes, curated content which is of top quality, from topic wise test to full length mock test. Overall whooping, if you see, you get more than 250 plus mock tests, okay, which include topic wise, sectional and every other types, okay. If you see, if just phase 1 preparation is there, if you're targeting that, then even our RBI Grade B crash course phase 1 is live, you can join it. Learn pack is only for resources. So these are all our courses which are tailor made for you. Still अब time बचा है. अब तो अगर RBI की notification हमें पता है कि कब आने वाली है, even all the things are in front of you, then why to waste the time? अभी भी वक्त नहीं गया है. You can still choose. आप अभी भी अपने RBI Grade B का जो ये attempt है उसको seriously दे सकते हो. You will not, it's a promise, you will not just cover the syllabus, you will ace in it. Then comes overall the revision. In context of GA, join our overall YouTube channel. Our monthly magazines are also there for government schemes and current affairs. We have these magazines from January. So all your 6-month current affairs is covered by us. Daily static current affairs by Pooja ma'am at 7 a.m. 7 p.m. Lakshmi ma'am's PIB current affairs. Daily finance and economic current affairs which happens at 6 p.m. by Mavish ma'am. So your RBI circulars also, reports also and updates also, everything has been covered. Then comes practice answer writing session, daily newspapers, reading, weekly descriptive practice sets. This you can get in our descriptive answer writing course. So your descriptive answer writing course is also there. If you are a student who has prepared for rest of the things but not descriptive answer writing, go and check it out once. And then if you are a student who is also preparing for SEBI, along with SEBI, we have also launched SEBI crash course as well as complete course. For SEBI, you are just having 30 days. So you can prepare SEBI along with RBI also. Common subjects are there. So don't miss this opportunity. Here we will end the session. I hope that you understood about the tentative dates also. 90 days with you. Crash course for RBI has been already launched. Crash course for SEBI also has been already launched. Go and check it out and make your preparation more impactful. Thank you.